Guys, we just lost our whole video. We did film the sneezing challenge, so we're gonna have to redo it. But me and Daniela couldn't do it, so
Natasha.
Yeah.
Who's gonna do it?
Natasha's gonna do her 50 sneezes of grey.
Oh, it's not gonna work now.
It will.
It's not working. You see me rolling.
They hating, trolling, they trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty. Tickle your nostrils, tickle them.
Is it like?
No, yay! We got one! Hey, we gotta do more, we gotta do more.
Fine now. Ugh. I hate the filling. It's like. Ugh.
Can I help do the other one? Hey, I'm helping do Natasha's other nostril.
No!
Come here!
No!
I'll try again. They see me rolling, they hate it. Rolling, trying to get you riding, trying to get you riding.
I don't care.
I love it.
I'm not doing. What was that?
I think I stood on the snail again.
Aeroplanes. I thought it was on my farting. It's a new world. I love it. Come on, Tiffany.
I've almost done it. Why isn't it working? Oh, I almost had one. Hi guys. I'm flying. I don't care. I can't do that. Guys, I have officially failed the challenge so badly. And I'm so sorry, Megan, who requested it 500 million times. I'm so sorry. Now, we're going to go find something else to do, so be right back, guys. Hi, guys, we're back. Okay. Although to you, it just looks like we're right here. Okay. We are doing the cinnamon challenge! Okay, we've got our water's at the ready. Cinnamon's at the ready. Water at the ready. Okay, let's go.
Now, just feel the power.
Okay, get a straw. Okay. Daniela, do yours.
Oh, I don't want to do it. No. Okay, come here.
Okay, guys.
More? No. Look, Tiffany. 1, 2, 3, go.
Now you see what I was talking about with you last time with the chocolate. Yeah. Yeah, Mum.
Cinnamon challenge.
I want more. My throat stings.
It's cinnamon. How can you want more?
She's bloody mad. Okay, guys. this is the end of our challenges today. Sorry we failed the sneezing challenge. I hate cinnamon. Okay. We'll see you.
I'm crying.
I can't. See you guys in a bit.